Oh, hit it again. Hit it again. Whoa! Backhanded. Good girl.
Can you hit it to Mama?
Yeah! Watch her swing at it. She's going for a driver. Get your driver. You need to hit it long distance. I know it's too tall for you to get out. Oh, you want your putter? Here you go. Okay, you can have your putter, or you can have both of those, whatever's cool. Oh gosh, she's wielding both clubs. Whoa. Good girl. She's trying to hit it with the end. Whoa! You just die in your putt?
That's no fair.
Stepped on it. You're supposed to hit it.
Hit it.
Watch, Katie. Watch this. Oh, good hit! Maddie, how about this one?
Get your golf ball.
This one.
Get it.
Right there.